Good morning friends. Today in this video we are trying to figure out how two plots can be drawn with the same canvas, using the subplot function, and how to set its figure size and the DPI setting for this plot we are going to draw here. As usual, we have written here just two commands like import matplotlib.pyplot as PLC and matplotlib inline in order to get this chart in this Jupyter notebook output, and input numpy as NP. We are defining length space of 0 to 5, this minimum and maximum limits and the number of points, and defining the value of y as x square and figure equals plot.figure function. This is an object-oriented method to define how the plots are drawing in matplotlib. And after that we just define here, that is figure comma axis equals plot dot subplot of n rows, that is number of rows equals 1 and number of columns equals 2. We are going to plot two subplots with a single row and two columns. These subplots are going to appear as two plots, two columns and with a single row. Okay, and access figure to add axis of point 1, point 1, point 8. These are the we are defining the axis minimum and maximum limit for this plot we are going to draw here, and axis plus plot of x comma y, that is we are drawing a plot over here. You can see that the plot is given drawing here, and we are going to write some other code, just like you can check what it is. Axis dot here it is the axis, and axis dot set x label of set x label. Within quotes I can give the x label for the plot, for the graph plotter here, and just like we can give axis dot set label of y label, set y label. Okay, and within quotes here also I have to give the label for the y axis. Okay, and after that I can give the title for our figure 2, that is axis dot set title of. Then I have to give the title for the figure within quotes, just like this, and we can check how this is going to happen over here. Okay, then figure equals plot dot figure function. It is object oriented method in order to draw the figure. Here axis objective has no attribute, set title. Set title has a set title. Yeah, we have to give a underscore here. We use set. Plot is not defined. So it's not plot, it is PSP. Okay, that is the name of our variable, so that we can get the output just like this. Now the label is set like this is x label and y label, and this is the title for our graph. Okay, and I have to give two more axes. I have to add, that is different cutting and pasting this code here. That is figure comma axis equals plot or subplot of n rows equals 1 and n columns equals 2. Then PLT dot plot of x comma y. Then I am giving another command, just like PLT dot right layout function. You will check what is going to happen over here. We are getting two graphs over here, one row with the two columns, because two graphs are appear over here, and the PLT dot plot of x comma y. It is and the PLT dot type layout would set two graphs with the two pictures, because if the graph is not type layout, it would appear one after one over the other, so that we cannot say these two graphs clearly, so that we can give the command just like this. Okay, and we are going to draw this graph in another method, that is using a for loop. That is, a loop is such we have already studied in our Python language, that is current act in axis. After colon you can give the body of the loop. Okay, current act dot plot of, then within plot you can give x comma y. Okay, in this way we are going to draw this graph again. Not appearing as it is. Now we are going to set title and all those things here. Axis dot, that is axis of 0, that is first graph we are denoting here, dot plot of x comma y. Then we are checking one more command, that is axis of 0 dot set title of within quotes first graph. Okay, and just like that I am going to draw the other one, that is axis of 1. Okay, dot plot of function, using plot function, plot of y comma x. That's the values for the y and x, and we are setting its title to axis of 1 dot plot of not plot function but set title function, set title of then second. Okay, then after that I have to give one more command, plot dot state layout function, because we want to see both this graph clearly. We should not come one after one over the other. Then axis of 0, dot is not over there, we will check what is going to happen now. Dot is not showing, but it is coming over in other type of error here. Some should command these two commands, and we will check what is going to happen over here. And this hash symbol is for the putting a command in this matplotlib. When we are putting a command, this is not showing any type of error. Then access state is not subscriptable. Access state, what is the access state? Here I have to give this command to now it is update successfully. Now we are going to two graphs over here. First is axis of 0, and we are setting its title as first one. This is the title, and this is the second one, and we are setting its title as second. Okay. Now we can set its x label and y label is 0 plus. It is can be done separately. Okay, and in this way we can create any number of graphs. But since we have given here n rows equals 1 and the n columns equals 2, what happened is two columns are appeared, but the graph is appeared in a single row. Okay, and I am giving here a command just like 3. N rows equals 3 and n columns equals 2. What is going to happen? We will check here. It should be commented because it should come with any type of error, because we have not a number of graphs. We have plenty of graphs over there, but it will not appear as it is, so it will go some type of error. So we have to the plot. We don't want to plot over here, and we will check what is going to happen. Now you can see that we would get 3 rows, that is row 1, row 2 and row 3, and 2 columns in each row. Okay. Now the graph is positioned in such a fashion. Okay. This is the use of this n rows and n columns property. How to set this, and now that you know all these things, how to set all these properties using this graph, and how to plot this graph. And one more thing we can put over here, and again putting this command into by, that is n rows equals 1 and n columns equals 2, and I am changing this line of command to the program code as it is how to be displayed properly, and after that we will put some more commands over this. Yeah, the 2 graphs is appeared as before. Now it is clear. But how to give some more commands, that is figure.access equals plot the subplot of, then I can give pick size equal x, 2. That's the size of the figure I want to create over here. That is figure size equals x, 2. There should be written parenthesis. Then x of the plot x, y. We will check what is going to happen. Plot is not this one. Sorry. Not figure, but figure, x. So this one, okay, x, y. I have to give some more arguments into this. That is one more argument, n rows equals 2 and n columns equals 1. Then figure size equals x, 2. This is not this one over here. Since it has 2 graphs, I have to set each property separately. Just x equals 0 dot plot of x, y, and x equals 1 dot plot of y, x. Now I have to give one more property, just like cft dot set layout function, and we will check what is not become again. We will check what is happening. So Is that easy?